Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to dive into a topic that's shaping the future of software development: GitHub Copilot and the evolution of AI in coding. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about tech trends, there's something here for you. Imagine having a coding companion that not only understands your coding style, but can also suggest entire blocks of code while you're typing. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Let's explore how GitHub Copilot is changing the game for developers everywhere. All right, so first up, let's break down what GitHub Copilot actually is. It's an AI-powered code completion tool that helps you write code faster and often more safely. It's like having an expert partner right there in your IDE. But how does it really work? Well, it leverages vast amounts of code from repositories around the world, learning patterns and syntax to generate suggestions tailored to your project. You can think of it as having a super smart buddy who's read every programming book and can offer you advice just when you need it, without stealing your snacks. Discussion on efficiency. Now let's talk about efficiency. Developers are constantly under pressure to deliver high-quality code on tight deadlines. GitHub Copilot can help reduce that crunch time. A survey showed that developers using Copilot reported feeling more productive and less stressed. Imagine more time for tinkering or even catching up on that Netflix show you've been meaning to binge. But here's a question for you. Does increased coding efficiency compromise the quality of our programming skills? Are we becoming too reliant on AI, or is it just a tool that amplifies our abilities? Moving on, another exciting aspect is security. GitHub Copilot is designed to help identify vulnerabilities in code before they become issues. It's interesting to think about how AI is stepping up as a guardrails for developers, ensuring that our software is not only functional, but also secure from the outset. You know, it reminds me of a time when I was stuck troubleshooting an obscure bug in my code. With Copilot, I could have potentially received suggestions on best practices or avoided common pitfalls, saving me hours of frustration. And let's not forget about collaboration. GitHub discussions and code review features encourage teams to work together seamlessly. It's all part of this evolving landscape where coders can share ideas, critique contributions, and sometimes have friendly debates over the best coding languages. Take a second and think about your last coding project. Did you rely on any tools that helped you collaborate better or work more securely? So, to sum it all up, GitHub Copilot represents a shift towards more efficient, secure, and collaborative software development. While it's important to embrace these innovations, we do need to consider their potential impacts on our skills and professional growth. As we wrap up today's episode, I leave you with this thought. Technology is here to enhance our capabilities, but it's up to us to ensure we remain curious and engaged learners. Will we find the right balance between leveraging AI and continuing to hone our craft? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Today. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the tech world. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts on AI and coding. Until next time, keep coding creatively.